How and why to use jojoba oil for acne. Jojoba oil for acne is a great natural treatment. Why is jojoba oil good for acne? Oils in general can be effective for this. The reason jojoba oil in particular is good for acne is due to its lightness. Other ones like castor oil and coconut oil can be too heavy and just leave your skin feeling gross. If you have oily skin and breakouts, jojoba oil can help rebalance sebum production. This prevents that shiny oil slick that you may deal with on a daily basis. Helps control blackheads and reduces pimples. How to use jojoba oil for acne. How you use any product, natural or not, makes all the difference in how well it works for your skin. This is often why you will see one person swear by something and the next person dismisses the worst thing they've ever tried. Yes, everyone's skin is different and will benefit from certain things more than others, but knowing how to use jojoba oil for acne the right way will help ensure you give it the best chance to work for you. Then, you can judge its effectiveness for yourself. Uses for jojoba oil acne. 1. A simple moisturizer. This is the easiest and most obvious way. Make sure your skin is thoroughly cleansed. A great way to exfoliate and clear acne is by using our salicylic daily exfoliator 2%, which is applied like a toner after cleanser. This can be drying to skin in the beginning, so following treatment with jojoba oil can be a great way to help keep skin hydrated. As above, less is more. Use a small amount and pat onto skin. Let it absorb for a few minutes. You will know you used the right amount when after a few minutes your skin no longer feels oily, just hydrated. You can use it as a moisturizer morning and night. It works under makeup. 2. Mix it with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is so great for acne. One of the easiest ways to use it is by adding a drop to your moisturizer. So you can double up the natural goodness by mixing 1 drop of tea tree oil to 2 drops of jojoba. This gives it an antibacterial, refreshing boost. 3. How to use it as a cleanser. The oil cleansing method is a contradictory way to cleanse your skin. Essentially, it is using oil to cleanse skin of its own oil. The theory is, in a very basic sense, that like attracts like. So by using oil as a cleanser, it picks up the sebum from your skin and pores and makes it easier to remove. Because jojoba oil is light, it can be a very good choice for this method, as it is easier to remove from skin. Here's how to do this cleansing method. Start with dry skin and hands. Apply 1 or 2 drops of jojoba oil to your face and gently massage around skin. Pay extra attention to clogged area like around the nose. After about 30 seconds, remove with a warm clean washcloth. Where to buy jojoba oil and what to look for. Use organic, cold-pressed jojoba oil. Look for the actual USDA organic seal or stamp, as this is a sign of fairly strict standards being met. A product that meets this criteria is organic 100% pure jojoba oil. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.